Well, hi YouTube fans. Well, I've just ridden for about an hour and a half to get to this place called Havalem waterfall. Anyway, I've just got here, so this is me coming in. So go up these steps, see what it's saying. You can hear it though. I can hear it up the road on the way down here. Well, there it is, look. We'll get up the steps first so I can show you. Oh, look at that, isn't it? That's impressive, that is, isn't it? Go down the steps. Okay. Oh yeah, that's impressive, that is. He said this is the best time of year to come when it's monsoon. Normally it's just like a trickle of water. Look. Proper jungle around here now. I did come here, I was going to go treasure hunting, but I don't know if I can get anywhere near the water really. I'll zoom in and get a bit more. It's pretty powerful, isn't it? Brilliant. Right then, YouTubers, more later, bye. Hi guys, well, I'm at this waterfall. I've got a different spot now, so I thought I'd give you another good look. It's wicked, don't it? Oh yeah, it was well worth the hour and a half to get here in the pissing rain. Yeah, it's lovely, look man. This is proper sacred round here. Got some caves down the road where Shiva's supposed to have hung out, so I'll pop down there in a bit when I've took in that magnificence of this. I'm going to have a look around, see if there's any more spots. Okay, bye. Well, hi guys, like I've moved up the top a bit, so I'm much closer to the waterfall now. The noise, man, I don't know if you can really hear it on here, but it's bloody so loud. Like, I love that, the way the water comes off there. Yeah man, this is top video. Well, I hope you liked the video guys. Don't forget like and subscribe. Check out my other videos on YouTube. Okay, I've got something there for everyone. This is Jimmy Connor in Goa having fun. Okay, bye.